Right, good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silbert. Yeshia say anache say Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nkomo and I have been doing extensively. We're doing common we will remove na in summer hot one. Jete Abremu mene Kotoko friendly game na the performance of the players and the new role coach in the players. You better don't forget say. This Saturday, Kotoko against Recruitment Chelsea. Now, ahead of the Chelsea game, on say Enoch Morrison ne Andrews in team the same as Frederick Casaria suspended. So we will look into Kotoko friendly young boy players in team starting and how the coach would deploy players and how or finding replacement for these three key players are out of Kotoko and the Chelsea game. Let me start off with a Kumasi Asante Kotoko friendly game. Ebe to just say around August. Na news nearby na HS Kotoko be joining other 7 clubs. Or Enungu for a friendly game. Enungu Rangers, Wenya Kutuna FC, now Wenya Rano FC. I don't know if you've seen that particular conversation going around. Say Kotoko as accepted to play this friendly match in Nigeria. I think I'm say 12 August. Now, as usual, Porcupine Stand, yenya news be say internasekwa. I think that there was a Yimba Nungu, our 4 teams from Nigeria, from Cameroon, from Benin. And I think I saw 1 team from Sierra Leone. You got Asante Kotoko penny for soye. Any omukodi nkomo. Now, this is what Mensa Kai officially Asante Kotoko ain't signing any contract to participate in any preseason friendly game in Nigeria. This is the official stance. It's a sign, but this is what I was told. There is nothing official. Kotoko signing. Our Matia to factor into their preseason plans for August, July, June, July, August. So Nigeria. This is it. And now Osha officially Asante Kotoko as a club any form of announcement on any of their social media handles regards to that particular story about an 8-club preseason tournament about Nigeria. As a son, Jitum na Nechidie say Porcupine Stand will dig in and bring you that exclusive. But my body tell the amount say Bibiasa and dan krata so Kotoko Secretariat. Get to a news. So now, and I'm able to when him say I'm a Turi Simba, former striker for Asante Kotoko. But if I contact him, now when it say about 2 months ago, Emmanuel Newton that's wearing in his interview Kesman FM editor just say Kura opemso edi ato manim say amanonimpo enomonko enkofa the right players manimbe sum Kumasi Asante Kotoko next season. The owner of the club is willing to break the bank to help Kotoko. Now and Kotoko atuagum speaking to so many people say among recommended players. Na baako position here Kotoko baako pa the striking position because George Ifeanyi beko Mukwala eso likely so beko na uyini free wa na se Kotoko animo no ababeka Kalu all 3 goals on Abrante Veno Julius Oforizigi as proper center forward. Omo mienu ko goals boom for Kotoko this is 3. And until Kotoko penny for a potent striker, Katan and Impa, which me bobo on to atrem. And on a Mohamed Turi, I recommend Silla Mohammed at the Asante Kotoko. Now, the players from the camp of Asante Kotoko would have to come for justify. And not too ready to just send the players in there. One more chance, I have 5 days. I saw her when I will take a decision. But based on Abdul Fattah Shafiu issue, medical team the enemy they bro but the me san the account here say players back Kotoko now you're foreigner now obe justified not less than 2 weeks with Asante Kotoko before you'll be signed by the club. So within that 2 weeks, no now penny for your okay, no problem. They'll go ahead and give you a contract. Name them and ya or mobile to turn say especially with Omwa, maybe a ufra manonen a woba. And no dear, oba dia obey training, Baba justified. Send ye prebition who send your form no be who no one said there be a branch any form you will yentimi you soon at the beginning of the season, maybe at the middle of the season, or the form. No matter say whether it will be useful or not. No matter so, I'm a BBA koye. Ntini no be check it and sign or sign any foreigner. Ghana near Aoba and I say we a foreigner now ba. That is the process. So the 5 players are mature by I think I need to take my time. I need to take my time and do an extensive video on these 5 players, 2 center backs, 1 defensive midfielder, and 2 forwards. Romanik Amuz and Salah Mohammed. Center backs and I'll talk about that later. Obujina trials and a sombe and sana Kotoko or atum. So that is it. Still on Kotoko transfers. Richmond Lamptey anopa. Me too many said me don't want to call. This is my sources from Kotoko's camp, not from the camp of Richmond Lamptey. I was told that a contract has been presented to Lamptey. Tieniye, mema one-sided story. Lamptey is yet to sign the contract. And again, Komodi did your man attempted, but it's not really moving the way they wanted. And we are the Oha with 5 matches to end the season. Lamptey can recover and participate in roughly 3. Don't forget, say weekend the Yamin Sheneden, ne papa, and a form into young Komu Bebre. But Timiko cried papa bar. Because that was the decision that we took this today. Say, resolve or cried papa bar ahead of Kotkone House. And I know Krebe has whether it's worth talking about it, but we have the story. Just that the bottom line is no contract has been signed as of now, and it's not looking positive for Asante Kotoko. Now, Yambra Kotoko friendly match in Pro Stars FC and a Kotoko, Pro Soccer FC and a Kotoko boy. Goalkeeper Luis Poite, Emmanuel Korte, Nicholas Osei Bonsu. Now when Yusuf Nurudeen and Justice Blay. So Blay Abba back. But Obeshe Chiriho, there were people, I know did say, in the absence of Morrison, Yama Blay Embebo a year defensive midfield. There be coach, is still keep Blay ewe Chiri because Chelsea game, there is a tactical dimension they are coaching the so used. We can't talk about it now. But Blay and Nurudeen are good in the air. And their partnership, don't forget the last time Kotoko Brekum. 3 goals in your cross because Park and shut down that forms are into Upeja Wims are and you need players that can deal with the ball in the air. Midfield Sheriff Mohammed about the defensive midfield role for Asante Kotoko in the game and now boy. And it appears that in the absence of Enoch Morrison, player Coach Ogumu plan say or didn't be Jirana name Abrantia, your friend Sharif Mohammed and a coach in a plan say or Nibijina a year the defensive midfield position. Now Wababe Bo Ediama Kotoko and a friend or Yusuno and that will be the new rule. Still, Kotoko Ochena Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday training for us to know whether that will be the game plan. But indeed, sir and Yusuno. Again, Rocky Dwamena Zeze move for Andrews in team men. Don't forget, say, in team men who are suspended. Our Kotoko game on the ball against Recruitment Chelsea. Now, Dwamena Zeze the box to box number 8 and yet Dwamena Zeze defensive midfield based on the friendly na Kotoko boy name or number 8. Say on ball in team men role. Now Eric Zeze can complete the middle 3. Peter Aminu Akwa Babayaya, Steve Mukwala untouched. Omo the front 3 no coach untouched. So these are the various tactical dimensions a coach ni put up. Ewo game or boy ne ewo adakoja say yeah no kwano ana yetete abete na ne cha no ne dia you can project, but there are still 3 training sections you monitor to see if indeed sa pepepe and a coach no ebe to aso ewo brekuma na Kotoko e maybe a twem new team that should very confirm say transfers bi a Kotoko ye no ehun sketua no and could do Ghana Football Association on the letter ebre Kotoko $25,000. The me picking no se Kotoko etua se ska no e de ama Ghana Football Association ama echiri edin ewo ho a eno so enye asembia ewo ho. Kotoko transfer committee no womo eguso a monitor affairs. Dauda Yusuf Seidu tokwane be hye January ne kan wasem sama no enya ndurukura no oye a key signing a Kotoko technical team nesi omuhia no has to folk coach efen Watara social per boy no enti expect the battle for Dauda Yusuf Seidu a brand transfer window maybe occupying stand alongside SOTV football. Yeah, the details ni nyaba brema at the right time and Ray kapano of form yemfa munsi ha channel pa ebe to us. Bye bye.